Makarov, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Get you some of that. Well, hello guys, BigDaddyHoffman1911 coming to you. You know, the other day I was going through some video and I realized I had quite a bit of video that I never uploaded before on YouTube. And I especially like this one right here. It's on the Makarov. Yes sir. I'll show it to you better in the video. You'll be able to see it. Guys, you can tell I filmed this last spring because I didn't have all this mess going on. My wife wants me to shave it, but I don't know, you know. I just need to keep it a little more groomed maybe. I'm gonna let it get a little longer. Yeah. This is a great pistol. I was watching the Military Arms channel, one of his videos, and so I finally found a couple at some gun shows last year, and I just can't tell you what a sweet shooting, wonderful pistol this is. It's 9x18. I've got a lot of video footage, so I'm not sure if I'll cut this into 1 or 2 videos, but we'll just see what happens. Anyway, I wanted to do a little intro and say hello to you guys. Try to get more videos uploaded in the future. If I don't see you before Christmas, have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Remember, Big Daddy loves you. Keep up the fight on gun control. Hoorah. Now let's go take a look at the video. See you guys. Alright guys, let's try a different angle. Here we go. Sweet. Very nice. Yes, indeed. Guys, you see you do have a safety right here, and you have a decocker. So it will lock open on the last round. Very reliable. And it's got a nice trigger pull. So come right here, Greg, and get a side shot. I'm going to squeeze them off into some steel. Ready? Alright, we drop back here to the 50-yard line, guys. Let's see if we can hit anything with this at that distance. Come on around, Greg.
I'm going to zoom in on the target, guys.
Alright, here we go. One hit. 2 hits.
You done it.
Missed that one, didn't I? That's 3 out of 4. Let me give it one more. Get it?
Yep.
Let's see if you can do that.
I might be able to do that.
All right, come on, give her a spin. All right.
Well, I missed a few times, but I done decent.
My hat's off
pretty
to
good.
you.
Huh?
My hat's off to you.
Done decent on that.
You done really good. What a sweet shooting pistol. sweet Makarov pie. Get you one of these guys. I like this thing.